Alright, welcome back to part 7 of our mini CNC machine and made out of computer parts. And what we're going to do, well, I'm just going to show you what I did. I glued down the cable here and glued it down onto this board, glued all the soldering joints so that if you do move it around a lot, it's not going to pull your joints out of your solder there. And we're going to do something about this once we've got it all soldered up. We're going to maybe glue this all together or epoxy it so it won't move. And so that's basically it. This is our first access we've made for our CNC machine, and I've hooked up the light sensor here so that when this goes backwards, actually first time you're going to use parallel port monitor like we did in the other time to start trying to probe the pin like we've done. And here, I'll show you. Start up parallel port monitor and click it, and if you can see, it's moving. Now the first time you're going to move it, it might only travel that way towards the light gate, and that's how I knew to put the light gate on that side, because whichever direction it starts traveling, you want to stop it, and then it tells the logic on this board that okay, I'm at 0, and that's your reference point. It's basically going to be our limit switch for our CNC machine. So it's all working great now. We've got if you just probe pin 3, as you can see, it goes until the back, and then watch when we go up to the light gate, it'll actually stop for us. See, I can't go any further than that, so it's a good limit. And then now I can hit my direction pin and I can step it the other way. So it's working good, and I like the hard drive base. Nice machined aluminum hard drive base here. I'm going to crazy glue it on there, and that's going to be a nice strong base to hold the first axis of our CNC machine. And it's going to be, this is how it's orientated. It's going to travel this way, and then might have it gantry style, so it'll move above it like this, or not sure, maybe just a normal one coming up the back here, and then probably that's the way, one up the back, and then another is going to lay on top of here and then move this way. So we've got 3 axes. So you just have to make 2 more of these combos of CD-ROM and floppy drive hybrids, and then you have the 3 axes, and then we hook it up to our printer port pins, and we'll do that later. But for now, I'm going to make the other 2, and you know, just follow the instructions like we did to make them, and make 2 other sets of these. So it's basically you know, 3 floppy drives and 3 CD-ROMs you're going to scrap for this project, but I think it's worth it to have a little CNC machine myself. So, and that's it, and I'll get back to you once I've made those other 2 accesses, and we'll take it up from there.